Okay, so this video is going to focus on how to write and rewrite equations into slope-intercept form. And slope-intercept form is this equation every single time. So it's always y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So if we look at our first tab in our foldable, we are given the slope and the y-intercept, and we just need to put this into slope-intercept form and then graph it on the front. So again, m is always slope and b is always your y-intercept. So to write this, it would be y equals 2x plus 1. And so I can graph this by starting at my y-intercept. So y-axis, I go to +1, and I can put a coordinate automatically at that spot. And I can plot any number of coordinates from here using my slope. So my slope is 2 over 1. What that means is from my y-intercept, I go up 2 units and to the right 1. Up 2 and to the right 1. I can also do the exact opposite. Instead of going up 2 and to the right 1, I can go down 2 and to the left 1. Down 2 and to the left 1. So then using some sort of straight edge, you want to connect all of these lines. Just gonna try to use this paper. So that is what the graph of that equation would look like. So on the inside, we have 2 more. All right, and this first one, my slope is 1/2 and my y-intercept is -3. So again, I can write this into slope-intercept form as y equals 1/2 x minus 3. I could write plus -3 and that would be the same thing, but just keep in mind whenever you have a minus sign, that means that your y-intercept is a negative. So again, I start at -3 on my y-axis. So from the origin, I go down 3. And my slope is 1/2, and what that means is I go up 1 and to the right 2, or down 1 and to the left 2. Connect them using some sort of straight edge, and there is my line. And for this last one, same thing, m is your slope, b is your y-intercept. So my equation would be y equals -3/4 x plus 2. So 2 is my y-intercept, so I find 2 on my y-axis. And because my slope is negative, rather than going up and to the right, I'm actually going down and to the right. So I'm going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and to the right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can do the opposite. I can go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and to the right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there you have it. That's how you write the equation of the line and graph it if you are given your slope and your y-intercept.